Hey guys, how we doing? It's Miguel for 413customs.com, and I have been getting a lot of requests for the hyper blinker tail light bulbs, asking me if they fit their vehicle. I just wanted to let you know that these are about 58 millimeters long, like right here. They're about an inch longer than your normal factory bulb. So there's two different ones, like 74 43s, 1157s, 1120s. I mean, they're about the same. This one's just a little shorter than the other ones right here. But the best way that I can tell you, they're about 2.5 inches long for the 744 series, and the 1157s are they fit many vehicles. They're about 1 3/4 inches. Now the best way to measure is the width. I have a Mitsubishi Lancer that we're doing right now. Tail light is the width. What I'm saying is, like, when you go back here and when you unplug your light bulb, this is the factory one. When you unplug it, measure if you have enough clearance. I don't know if I can get this to here, but yeah, enough clearance. Like here I got 3.5 inches. See? About 3.5 inches in. So it's definitely gonna fit. If you don't have enough clearance from the back where the bulb connects over here to the front of the tail light, it's not gonna fit. As far as fitting in the socket, yeah, they'll fit, trust me. This is the factory one. And I'm just gonna connect this one over here, put it in, boom, it's connected, put it back in the hole. And as you can see, it's gonna fit, okay? If your tail lights are too thin in width, sorry guys, it's not gonna fit. I have an Honda cord tail light here. We're also doing, I'm not gonna crack this open now, but as you can tell, let's grab my tape measure. This is about 3.5 inches too, so it is gonna fit. All right, so that's it for now, guys. These are going super fast. Sorry if when you order, I don't have them in stock, but I'll get them to you.